Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can do split screen multitasking in Samsung smartphone. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. So guys, if you want to share the same screen for two applications, that is called multitasking. So how are you going to enable it? The first thing you need to do is to open any application that you want to share screen to do the multitasking. Suppose in this case, I open YouTube. And then all you need to do is to tap on the three lines at the bottom, and here tap and hold on the icon of the application, and now you can choose which side of the screen you want this application to be. If I want to be on the top, so I will leave it there, and from the bottom menu now on the half side of the screen I can choose another application. So in this case I will choose TikTok. So now at the same time, as you can see, I can even watch videos here, and I can search something on YouTube as well. So you can choose any messenger application here as well in the multitasking. Suppose you choose WhatsApp, so you can chat with somebody here, and you can watch TikTok videos here as well. So there is another thing. If you tap on the three dots right at the middle, so this menu will appear. So from here you can switch the position of the application as well. So in this case now the TikTok go up and YouTube goes down. So you can change it anytime as well. So guys, now if you want to increase the size of any application on the screen, like if suppose you press and hold here, and you can just drag it up or drag it down. It depends on which application you want to give more space on the screen. So in this case, if I want to give more space to TikTok, as you can see now, it is the YouTube is smaller compared to TikTok right now. So I can do that for the other application as well. So now, if you want to get out of the multitasking window, all you need to do is to tap and hold right at the middle, and then just drag one application right to the top or right to the bottom as well. It depends on which application you want to be on the full screen. And as you can see now, you are out of the multitasking window. So guys, this is all it takes to do multitasking split screen in Samsung smartphone. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.